Girl, you just got your hair. Yes, girl, I did. How did you know? Oh my gosh. Look at the wave, baby. Look at the wave. Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in to another video. For today's hair review, instead of sitting down explaining what I did, I wanted to show you all how I got my lace to be a medium brownish color so it could blend seamlessly. So for step one, I applied some bleach to bleach my knots, of course, and I let it sit on the wig for about 25 minutes. And in this clip specifically, I am simply washing it out. After I was done washing it out, the scalp looked a bit brassy, so I went ahead and took some purple shampoo to see if I could fix it that way. It looked a bit orange and I needed to tone it down. I scrubbed the purple shampoo in a bit and then I conditioned it, and I can honestly say that it did make a difference. So I'm glad that I did the purple shampoo, even though I wasn't really sure what I was doing. And this little bit of hair that you see me slide over to the side is all that I got from the hair when I was done washing it. That was all the shed hair. Here is a close-up of the scalp and what it looked like when I was done bleaching the knots, washing it, conditioning it, etc. So I've watched a whole bunch of videos on the hot water color method and I wanted to try it myself. So I was like, hey, this is a perfect opportunity. I took some sienna brown, put in some hot water, mixed it up real good, and then put I put my wig in there and let it soak up all that brown lusciousness for 10 minutes. And then we took it out. This is how it looked before, and this is how it came out after. Can you tell? Can you tell the difference? There's a slight difference, but it makes a difference. Step numero 5. I conditioned the hair one last time to make sure it was completely clean and free of any gunk or leftover dye, leftover bleach, anything like that. This is how it turned out after I let it air dry. The waves were so incredibly pretty and it had a nice flow to it, a nice bounce, and it was so luscious and shiny. So I want to say this is about a medium-sized wig. It's perfect for someone like me who has really thick hair. I either need a medium size or a large size cap. It comes with 4 combs, and can we just please take a moment of silence for this scalp, this part, because I have not plucked it at all, and I do not like when parts look extremely straight, so that was good. Okay, so let's move on to styling the wig. Today's hair video is sponsored by Unice Hair. This is the box that she came in, and if we look inside the box, we have a scarf, some lashes, and of course the hair care card with a 10% off coupon. It just tells you how you should wash your hair, what you should use to condition, and how often you should wash your hair, of course. If you're a first timer, let me get her. So this is the actual wig. She is 150% density, 18 inches, and she is a natural body wave. So this is the scalp right now. And I just want to point out, like, I really appreciate them for this. Like the hairline in the front, they put the hairs like going forward so that it's easier to do the baby hairs, and I really appreciate that. Less work for me. But let's go ahead and put her on, lay her, and see what happens. This wave is so pretty. Ooh. I ain't even put no mousse in. Baby. Who is she? Girl, you just got your hair. Yes, girl, I did. How did you know? Oh my gosh. Look at the wave, baby. Look at the wave. Okay, let me stop playing. I'm gonna use the Lottie Body. You like the party? Don't get in trouble. We don't bother nobody. Lottie Body with coconut and shea oils. So even though I love the natural wave of this hair, I wanted to straighten it so you guys could see how sleek and soft it can be. Okay guys, so this is how she looks. She's a bomb. Okay, let's just, baby girl, let's just get right to it. She's soft, she has body, she has a little bit of a curl. And look at this part. I can't stop touching it. She's so soft. I love this hair. I, on the other hand, can't slick her down. I don't know if it's because of my makeup, the mousse I was using, or what. I'm gonna have to watch some more videos and come back to you guys on that. This is the close-up. So I was a little disappointed when editing this video because there's a line of demarcation and it looks like it's from the lace and the wig is just sitting on my head, but actually it's from the stocking cap underneath my wig. So if you guys use the stocking cap, make sure you cut off the edge, because if not, it will look very sharp like how it does here. I'm not the best at the edges, but what I'm not about to do is use glue. I can't stop touching it. I think she looks really good. She's so soft. Look at this, how I run my fingers through it. Oh my god, this is such nice hair. And I don't like my wig super thick. I think 150 density is the perfect amount of hair to handle. 5'1", 5 foot, so 18 inches is pretty long on me. I'm glad I got this length and not any longer, because I can't. This is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd rock this wig, what length would you rock it? I love this wig so far. The scalp looks so natural. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna have to work on securing the wig because that mousse did not do it for me. I think I might add highlights to this hair in the future, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. Thank you for watching another one of my videos, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.